Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find friends on Facebook using contact number or phone number. It's really quick and easy, so let's jump right into it. So first of all, open your Facebook app. Then tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen. Then scroll down and then tap on settings and privacy. And again tap settings. Now scroll down and under permissions option, tap on the option upload contacts, and now toggle this bar right over here and then tap on get started. Now you'll have to allow Facebook to access the contacts, and once you tap on allow, you can see all of the friends whom you have not added but are on your contact list. So that's how you find friends on Facebook by using their phone number. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.